So topic here that we are going to discuss today, it is the commercial uses of the halogens and their different compounds. Before the start of the commercial uses of this, you guys must know that what does mean by the halogens. So when we talk about the halogens, these are the group 7A elements, as these are known as halogens. Now here the word we have halo and gens, which is divided into two parts. The word halo means the simple salt and the gens mean forming. So they are basically salt forming compounds. As they belongs to the group 7s, so they have 7 electrons in their valence shell and they required one more electron to complete their octet, which is their outermost shell. And why they need to complete their octet? Because they want to gain stability. And in turn, after the gain of this electron, they will acquire the charge which is -1, and they are 14 numbers. The halogens we have fluorine, F2, we have chlorine, bromine, and we have iodine. They always exist in diatomic form. The diatomic form always they have their two atoms that are combined to one another and they are forming the halogens. Now we will start its uses that for what purpose they are being used. First one we have fluorine, which can be written as F2. Now we have a lot of uses of the fluorine. The number one is fluorine, it is used in the preparation of the freons. Now what does mean by these freons? It is basically the commercial name of all the low molecular mass fluorochlorocarbons. They are basically called as the fluorochlorocarbons, and their formulas we have CCl2 F2, as well as we have its CClF3. These are called as freons. They are low molecular weight fluorochlorocarbons and they are being used in refrigerants and the aerosol propellants. This is the use of the fluorines compound. And then the fluorine is also used to prepare the Teflon. Now, what is the Teflon? It is the compound whose formula we have CF2 bond CF2. So this Teflon is basically used for the non-stick utensils or all the non-stick things that we use in our home or that are used for domestic purposes. So for the non-stick covering of the different utensils, the Teflon is being used, and basically Teflon it is the compound of the fluorine. After this, the fourth one use of the fluorine we have, it is used in the coating of the electrical wires. Now what does mean by the coating of the electrical wires? The electrical wires are basically just helpful for protecting the passage of the electricity to the anyone. In turn, it is just safe to use. When we just look on the Teflon, it is just used for the non-stick coating. It is also a type of coating, but it is a non-stick coating for the cooking pans. On the other hand, it is prepared just by the simple polymerization or from the polymerized tetrafluoroethylene. Tetrafluoroethylene compound, which is formed by the simple process of polymerization. So here this Teflon, it is also a valuable plastic. This is also a valuable plastic that can be used for different purposes. The last one, or the fifth one use of the fluorine is it is used in the toothpaste. Now the fluorine it is being used in the toothpaste because it is used to build the protective coating on the teeth. It is also used to prepare the protective coating on teeth. So all these are the basic uses of the chlorine that we have. On the other hand, the fluorine, it is also used to make the parts of machinery, as these parts are prepared as corrosion proof. The corrosion proof means the parts of the machinery that do not corroded or that do not undergo the process of rusting. So this was the use of fluorine. After this we have the uses of chlorine. Now chlorine is also used at commercial level for different purposes. It is used in the manufacturing of the bleaching powder, in which the chlorine it is going to be react with the calcium oxide, which is called as slaked lime, and on reacting with it, it produces the compound CaOCl2, which is called as the bleaching powder, as well as the production of the water along with it. On the other hand, it is also used as disinfectant in the pools. The substance that is used to kill the germs, these substances are called as the disinfectant. It is also used as an antiseptic. Now, what does mean by the antiseptic? These are the basically medicines that are used to destroy the different types of the bacteria. It is used as insecticides. All the compounds that are used to kill the insects are known as the insecticides. They are used to prepare the PVC. Here, the PVC is the name of polyvinyl chloride. This is also a compound that is prepared by the use of the chlorine. Here we have PVC polyvinyl chloride. Its formula is simple, which can be written as CH2 double bond C and then Cl. This is the simple formula of the polyvinyl chloride, vinyl chloride or vinyl compound. On the other hand, it can be also used for the preparation of the insecticides, as well as it is used as a herbicides, the medicines that are used to kill the herbs that are not in use, as well as it is also used as a weed killer, and then it is used to prepare the chloroform and carbon tetrachloride, which is CCl4. They all contain chlorine in them. After this, we have the uses of bromine. So bromine, its formula is Br2. It is also present in the diatomic form. It is used in the engines of the different vehicles, as well as it is also used as a fungicide, as well as it is used in the photography, in which we use the silver bromide AgBr. This is used in the films that are used as a developer material for the photographic process, as it is used in the engines. In the engines, its compound name is ethylene bromide, whose formula is C2H4Br2. It is used or it is added up into the lead or leaded gasoline to save the engines from lead oxide production, as well as it is used as a fungicide. Fungicide is mean that is just used to kill the fungus or to remove the fungus from different products or different compounds. And the last one, we have the uses of the iodine. Iodine, as it is an important compound, it is used in pharmaceutical industries, as well as it is used as a disinfectant that is used to kill the germs or to remove the bacteria. It is used as also germicide. Germicide means a simple disinfectant or germs killing substances, as well as it is used in the preparation of the tincture of the iodine. Now, what does mean by the tincture of the iodine? Tincture of iodine as well as the iodex. These are the popular preparations that are being done with the use of the iodine, and the end it is used in the iodized salt formation, which is formula as NaCl. It also contains some amount of iodine, so that's why it is called as iodized salt. For example, we have sodium iodide. So this was a simple topic that we have. I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section, and I will get back to you guys soon. So the next topic that we will discuss it is the introduction to noble gases. For that time, you guys keep learning and have a good day.